English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 9. SNS Edition. I do not understand. People say this often. Anything more natural? I am not sure. I am not sure. I forgot. That works fine. What sounds more natural? I totally forgot. I totally forgot. I got lost. People understand that. What sounds more casual? I am lost. I am lost. I made a mistake. People get it. Anything shorter? My bad. My bad. I cannot do it. That sounds formal. What sounds softer? I do not think I can. I do not think I can. I am in a hurry. This is common. Anything more natural? I am kinda in a rush. I am kinda in a rush. I do not have time. People say this often. What sounds more casual? I am short on time. I am short on time. I have no money. People understand it. What sounds better? I do not have enough money. I do not have enough money. I cannot sleep. Nothing wrong with that. What sounds more natural? I cannot fall asleep. I cannot fall asleep. There is no battery. That sounds odd. What should I say? My battery is almost dead. My battery is almost dead. I missed the train. That works fine. Anything more casual? I missed it. I missed it. I will be late. People say that. What sounds more native? I might be late. I might be late. I feel bad. That sounds vague. What sounds better? I do not feel well. I do not feel well. I need help. That works too. Anything more natural? Can you help me out? Can you help me out? It is the worst. People understand it. What sounds more casual? This is bad. This is bad. I am not sure. I am not sure. I totally forgot. I totally forgot. I am lost. I am lost. My bad. My bad. I do not think I can. I do not think I can. I am kinda in a rush. I am kinda in a rush. I am short on time. I am short on time. I do not have enough money. I do not have enough money. I cannot fall asleep. I cannot fall asleep. My battery is almost dead. My battery is almost dead. I missed it. I missed it. I might be late. I might be late. I do not feel well. I do not feel well. Can you help me out? Can you help me out? This is bad. This is bad. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.